Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW X1 brake light. This is a common task after replacing your brake pads and sensors, and it's simpler than you might think. You won't need any specialized diagnostic equipment, just your car's built-in controls. We'll walk through each step to get that warning light off your dashboard, ensuring your vehicle's system is updated correctly. Let's get started and clear that service message. To begin, get into your BMW X1 and insert the key fob. Press the start button once or twice to turn on the ignition, but do not start the engine. All your dashboard lights should illuminate. Next, find the trip reset button, usually located on the lower left side of your instrument cluster. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds until the service menu appears on your display. This action grants you access to the vehicle's maintenance reminders. Once in the service menu, use the same trip reset button to cycle through the various service items. Continue pressing it until you see the brake service light indicator. When the brake light option is displayed, press and hold the trip reset button again. The display will then show a reset message. Release the button, then press and hold it one more time until reset successful appears. This confirms the brake light has been reset. If the reset is unsuccessful, double-check that all doors, the trunk, and the hood are completely closed. Also, remember that a new brake wear sensor must be installed with new pads for the reset to work correctly. If the light persists, a professional diagnostic tool might be needed. For an effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keeping up with your car's maintenance, like brake service, ensures optimal performance and safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.